Fellow Forex investors, today is August 10th, 2015, and we've actually had a really good day and last couple of really good sessions, guys, and I want to talk to you about that. So we've had price move up quite a bit, and we had nice bounce off of this very, very long-term trend line. And so what we're looking for inevitably probably is a move up on these currency pairs. If we look at the monthly, we're going to see that, number one, we're at the bottom of an apex of a pennant here formation, and then we're going to see price move up from here probably to the top at 113.63. Now we can see it continue to move up, guys, all the way back to the top at 134 if there's really, really great news coming out. But we've hit the very bottom of this pennant as well. If you look at what chart I'm on, I'm actually on the monthly chart. So this is a long-term trend line dating back to 1984. So we hit the bottom of that, the support area, and we're watching price continue to move up. The pod too strong may very well be where price stops, takes a turn back down. We don't know yet. What we do know is that price will most likely move up in the next few sessions, and that's what we have to look for. All right, so we're in a bit in a consolidation right now. So having said that, what am I looking for here? Well, even though we have overall a buy sentiment, if we look at the 4-hour, we have a very strong reversal candle. We're looking for a 50 pip pullback, probably down to 1.0950. So we're going to call a sell right here at this level. Okay, right now, right here where we are, we're calling a sell, and we're looking for it to get back down to 1.0950. Now, guys, when we get down to 1.0950, we're going to actually look for a buy off that area, because inevitably we want to see a move back up, because that's where we think the market's going. So that's it. So we got a sell at current levels at 1.1020, and then 1.0950 buy on the euro dollar. Dollar Swiss is kind of, as one of my friends call it, jaggedy, and so we're not going to touch it. It's got a lot of back and forth movement. Inevitably, I think it's going to be a sell. Just not right now at this particular juncture. Pound dollar, we're going to look for a buy as this thing sells off as well. We're going to look for a buy down at 155.35 at the pod 1 strong. And there's also a lot of areas of support right there at 1.5535 buy on the pound dollar. All right, dollar yen, I've got nothing for that. Aussie dollar, we're going to stay away from that. We think it's going to sell off here, current levels, just for a little bit. New Zealand dollar, the same thing. It's going to sell, but this New Zealand is really just it's ugly. It's just got no rhyme or reason, or it does, but it's not the best looking trade we could call. Now the dollar CAD, we're actually going to call a sell where we had a buy trade before. So like right here at 1.3090 where the 50 EMA is, that was our area of support, and the market just ran straight through it. And for that reason right now, we're going to be looking at this area again being used, but this time it's going to be used as resistance to sell off the market. So we're going to look for that on the dollar CAD. 1.3090 sell. What else do we have? Lastly and not leastly, we're going to look for a euro yen. Okay, so we've got a euro yen sell right now. So if you're in the trade copy, you'll notice that we're on a euro dollar sell and we're in a euro yen sell. Why did we take a euro yen sell here? 137.37 is a really great level. We had lots of movement here on the 4-hour and other time frames as well. And this doji formed, triple threat doji formed right here on the very same level. Gave us it's just beautiful and calls for a sell. Now, with this thing calling for a sell, if you look down here at the bottom at 136.15, 136.20, there's a beautiful area of support. We've got the melange of the 50 EMA, the middle Bollinger Band, and the 200 EMA all coming up through our pod 1 strong and our pod 2 strong as well. So we're going to look for price to probably buy at 136.24. We're not calling that buy, but we've got a nice push down to look forward to here on the euro yen. So if I can recap all of our trades, I will tell you euro dollar sell at current values at 1.1020. and a buy at 1.0950 potentially. Pound dollar, we're going to look for a buy at 1.5535. No call in the Aussie dollar, no call in the New Zealand dollar, but the dollar CAD, we're going to be looking for a 1.3090 sell. Euro yen, we're going to look for a 137.25 sell. Guys, those are our trades for today and for the next session, August 10th, 2015. All the best. Bye-bye.